Hey guys, so I'm showing you my dish today of what I'm making for my family. I'm making Sloppy Joe with greens and fry wedges made at home. So this is eggplant. This is just an addition that I want to add it to the to the Sloppy Joe dish. Cut it in half, season, put olive oil on top. You bake it for a few minutes or so. Your jackfruit here. This is the replacement for Sloppy Joe. By the way, this is a vegan meal kind of thing. So you got your seasonings like garlic powder, everyday seasoning, onion salt, lemon pepper, 21 seasoning. All those are from a Trader Joe's and what I use to season our food with. So you can check that out as well. Then we have a pot of greens here that I'm going to boil. So here we got collard greens, you got your microgreens right here, you got some Mung Sprouts, there's some mushrooms in there, and collard greens down at the bottom, Sorrel. So I'm boiling that in a few. And here I have in the oven, I have my fry wedges using golden potato, also from Trader Joe's. And yeah, this is my Sloppy Joe combination that I'm making, vegan style, jackfruit, and I'm also using, going to be using this here. I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to be using this barbecue sauce, which is also at Trader Joe's. So you can put this on top of your jackfruit once when you have your hamburger buns, and that will be your Sloppy Joe right there. So thank you guys for watching. Eat good out there, eat healthy.